Excellent. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. We welcome you at YI Bhopal, a very special week celebrated across the country as Gift and Organ Week. Young Indians works for youth empowerment, and Gift and Organ is a very important project. In both the lines, Bhopal chapter has taken a special initiative of creating awareness among the youth of Bhopal and among the Yuva colleges. So today we have with us Mr. Piyush Wani and Ayushi Singh, who have done some preparation for promoting the importance of liver and donating liver for saving lives. So I welcome Ayushi and Piyush on behalf of the Young Indians Bhopal chapter, and our Yuva chair on behalf of Yuva chair Geet also I welcome you, and on behalf of Manvin, chair for Gift and Organ, we welcome you and would like you to set the context and take it forward from here, Ayushi and Piyush.
Thank you so much, sir. A very good
Thank you so
evening
much.
to everyone. My name is Ayushi Singh Bhadoria.
And my name is Piyush Wani.
We are from Gift and Organ Vertical of Young Indians Bhopal chapter.
And as you all know that the world celebrates World Organ Donation Day on 13th of August, YI Bhopal has taken an initiative and we are celebrating the Organ Donation Week.
Today it's the second day, and we would like to know you about importance of liver. Liver is basically a gland associated with many functions. It is difficult to give a precise number as this organ is still being explored.
So here we are going to tell you about liver that you all need to know. Firstly, liver is a large meaty organ that sits on the right side of the belly/stomach, weighing about 1.3 kgs. The liver is reddish brown in color and feels savory through the touch. Normally, you can't feel the liver because it's protected by the rib cage. The liver has two large sections called the right and the left lobes. The gallbladder sits under the liver, along with parts of the pancreas and intestines. The liver and these organs work together to digest, absorb, and process food. The liver's main job is to filter the blood coming from the digestive tract before passing it to the rest of the body. The liver also detoxifies chemicals and metabolizes drugs. As it does so, the liver secretes bile juice that ends up back in the intestines as it helps in digestion. The liver also makes proteins important for blood clotting and other functions. Main functions of the liver is basically as the liver is identified as a gland and associated with many functions. It is difficult to give a precise number of the functions of that organ as it is being explored, but it is thought that the liver carries out about 500 distinct roles. The major functions of the liver include bile production, absorbing and metabolizing bilirubin, supporting blood clots, helps metabolize proteins, filters the blood, production of albumin, synthesis of angiotensin, immunological functions. That is, gives immune to the immunity. The favorite part about liver is that it regenerates itself. Regeneration, because of the importance of the liver and its functions, evolution has ensured that it can regrow rapidly as long as it keeps healthy. This ability is seen in all the vertebrates from fish to humans. The liver is the only visceral organ that can regenerate itself. It can regenerate completely as long as a minimum of 25% tissue remains. One of the most impressive aspects of this feat is that liver can regrow to its previous size and ability without any loss of function during the growth process. In mice, if two-thirds of the liver is removed, the remaining liver tissue can regrow to its original size within 5 to 7 days. In humans, it may take time and it usually takes slightly longer, but regeneration can still occur in 8 to 15 days. An incredible achievement given the size and complexity of the organ. Liver can be donated by a donor while he or she is alive, and the donor can be a near relative of the patient. Lifespan of organs are mostly like 4 to 6 hours and all, but liver has got 4 to 16 hours and kidney up to 30 hours. Over the following few weeks, the new liver tissue becomes indistinguishable from the original tissue. This regeneration is helped by a number of compounds, including growth factors and cytokines. Some of the most important compounds in this process appear to be hepatocyte growth factor, insulin, transforming growth factor alpha, epidermal growth factor, interleukin 6, and norepinephrine. As you all know, we live in Bhopal, and transplant in Bhopal is done on 2016, as Bhopal creates first green corridor on 2016. The Bhopal District Administration and City Traffic Police on August Friday successfully created the first green corridor of Bhopal to carry a donated liver from the state hunger to Siddhanta Red Cross Super Speciality Hospital near MP Nagar. The donated liver, used in the state's first liver transplant surgery at Siddhanta Red Cross Hospital, was of a 42-year-old brain-dead man at CHL Hospital in Indore. It was carried from CHL Hospital to Indore Airport to another green corridor in Indore, from where it was carried to Bhopal Airport in an air ambulance. The 42-year-old donor was declared brain dead by MY Hospital doctors on Thursday afternoon in August, after which he was shifted to CHL Hospital for an organ retrieval. Earlier, the Green Corridor in Bhopal was planned to be created at 10 p.m. on Thursday, but due to technical issues, it was rescheduled. As you can see, there's a photo. And then in liver donation in Pune during lockdown, Pune Zonal Transplant Coordination Committee said the 36-year-old from Benubri was declared brain dead at Inamdar Hospital following ruptured aneurysm leading to fatal complications. Organ donations have seen a drastic fall due to a variety of reasons, such as non-availability of organs and vehicle movement restriction, due to which people have been unable to travel. Fear of infection has also kept recipients away from hospitals, and most surgeries have been cancelled by the hospitals as they are now preoccupied by COVID-19 patients. As aneurysm is the enlargement of an artery caused by weakness in the arterial wall, the liver was successfully transplanted on May 20 at Inamdar Hospital on a 48-year-old patient from Wagholi, suffering from chronic liver disease with a history of jaundice 1 year back. The kidneys and cornea were transported to other hospitals. The donor was a cashier by profession. Living donor liver transplant is also a type of transplant. A small percentage of liver transplants are completed each and every year using a portion of a healthy liver from a living donor. Living donation is possible because the liver is the only organ that can regenerate itself. An adult may be able to donate a portion of their liver to a child or to any other adult. The University of Pittsburgh Medical Center (UPMC) notes that adult to child living donor liver transplants have well diminished waiting list deaths, giving a second chance at life to children in need of transplant. Since the number of patients waiting for donor liver surpasses the number of deceased donors, living liver donation, much like living kidney donation, provides an alternative to waiting for a deceased donor organ to become available. Receiving a transplant sooner may help a patient avoid additional health complications that may occur while waiting. A living donor's liver fully regrows within 4 months and will ultimately regain full function. The donated portion does the same for the person which is donated. A liver from a deceased donor may also be split and transplanted into two people. The growth of liver transplantation. Uh, Following the liver transplant, donors may stay in the intensive care unit for a few days and spend 5 to 10 additional days in the hospital. Recovery time at hospital varies from each person. Most donors can resume simple activities of daily living within a week. Uh, as we conclude, the liver donation is a noble cause, and many people and organizations have taken measures nationally to ensure its success. Liver donation is a lifeline that saves lives. It is a humanitarian act that provides life saving organs to people living with terminal illnesses.
Ayushi, can you hear him? I cannot hear him.
Hello.
You're on mute, Ayushi.
So is my voice available?
Yes, Piyush, we lost you, and we could, if you can. Yes, now it's available. If you can repeat your conclusion.
Okay, sir. The conclusion of the PPT is the liver donation is a noble cause, and many people and organizations have taken measures nationally, but internationally as well. People have now become aware about donation and its after effects. We all must appreciate every kind of donation, and especially liver, as it is a regrowing, as it has regeneration capabilities, and we all must support this cause. Thank you, everyone. Your one donation can save a life, which eventually will save a family.
Thank you, Anuj sir, Young Indian Bhopal chair, under whose guidance we are working on this, and also Meenal ma'am, Gift and Organ Vertical Yuva chair, who helped us in every step. Thank you so much.
In this presentation, like on liver, I just wanted to understand, like you tried to cover the importance of liver donation. So, what are have you covered some good hospitals in Bhopal where liver donation except Siddhanta? So, have you done some work on that? कि किसी को liver donate करना है तो कैसे करेगा?
So they can go to Chirayu Hospital too and AIMS Bhopal.
Okay.
Suppose
Good.
Siddhanta
Thank you
was
so
there.
much. And we would request you also to pledge for liver. Have you pledged for the body organ donation?
Yes, sir. For all organs are.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So great. Thank you so much. And we intend to bring the Yuva students talking on the organ donation part. But definitely, the doctors and the medical professions people, practitioners can give it a better way. But the intention of involving the youth is that they study, they present, and they motivate people to do more of liver transplantation, and gift and organ promotion and awareness should be increased. So thank you, Ayushi and Piyush, for your time, and for a very good presentation. Piyush, you did quite a good work. Thank you so much in a very limited time.
Thank you, sir.
We appreciate your
Thank you, sir.
contribution, and we hope that a lot of students and a lot of your friends listening you will also come up for gift and organ pledge, which is on Young Indians website. So let's pledge and make our country a better place for people who need support. Thank you, Ayushi and Piyush.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
sir. Thank you, sir.